In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in Brave browser. Let's get started and make your browsing experience more personal and visually appealing. First, launch Brave browser on your device. This is your starting point for all the changes we are about to make. Opening the browser is a straightforward task, but it sets the stage for everything else. Once you have Brave running, you're just a few clicks away from a customized look. Next, open a new tab in Brave. This might seem like a simple step, but it ensures you're starting with a clean slate. A new tab gives you access to all customization options without any distractions. Think of it as your canvas, ready for a fresh coat of paint. Now look for the Customize button. It's usually found in the bottom right corner of the window. This button is represented by a gear or slider controls icon. Clicking it will open up a world of customization options. This step is crucial because it unlocks all the settings you need to tailor your browser's appearance to your liking. From there, select Background Image from the left-hand sidebar menu. This menu provides a variety of options, but we're focusing on changing the background. Selecting Background Image brings you directly to the settings you need. It's a direct path to transforming the look of your browser with just a few clicks. At this point, you have several choices for your background style. You can upload a personal photo by clicking Upload from Device. Simply browse your PC for any standard image file, like a JPG or PNG, and select it. This option is perfect if you have a favorite photo or image that holds personal significance. Adding a personal touch to your browser can make it feel more like your own space. Alternatively, you can use Brave's curated catalog. Toggle on Show Brave Background Images to cycle through high-resolution landscape and artistic photography. These images are provided by the community and offer a stunning backdrop for your browser. This option is great if you enjoy variety and want a fresh look every time you open a new tab. Lastly, you can choose to set a solid color. By turning off background images entirely, you display a clean, minimalist backdrop. This adapts to your light or dark mode theme, ensuring consistency with the rest of your browser's appearance. A solid color can help minimize distractions and create a more focused browsing experience. After making your choice, close the customization panel. This action instantly saves your changes. There's no need to worry about losing your new settings. Closing the panel is like hitting a save button, ensuring your new background is ready for you every time you open a new tab. So there you have it. You've successfully changed the background in Brave browser. Remember, customizing your browser can enhance both its aesthetic appeal and your personal connection to it. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime you want to change. Thank you for watching and enjoy your newly customized Brave browser experience.